Hey, you. Let's play the window. Now, on this paper, there's a small window. Let's look through the window. Everybody, look through the window.
Look through the window.
Okay.
Oh.
What do you see? What do you see?
I see a window.
Ah, yes. Yes. Oh. Claire, what do you see?
I see black.
Ah, okay, you see black. Oh. Alex, what do you see?
A tree.
Ah, a tree. What is it? Eric, what is it?
What is it?
What is it?
What is it? A tree, a window, black. Ooh, I see escalier.
Staircase.
Staircase. I see a staircase.
Oh, interesting. What is it?
What is it?
It's a...
Ooh, it's a house. It's a house.
It's a house? Okay, okay. It's a house, but it's a... It's a haunted house. Haunted house. So we check? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! It was a haunted house. Ooh, scary, scary. With a window.
A window.
A tree.
A tree.
A staircase.
A staircase.
Yeah. Okay. Let's make a haunted house, okay?
Yes.
Let's do it. Perfect.